Having only a single income stream can be somewhat risky for your finances. For most people, their day job will amount to a vast majority of their total income. This means if you were to lose your job, you might need to tap into your savings accounts just to pay your basic bills. By having other streams of income, you can rely less on your day job and better your situation if you were to lose your job. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos, and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Are you looking for a side hustle? Some passive income? To get started as a freelancer? Or perhaps to even start your own business entirely from home? Whatever your needs, we provide the best guides, hints, tips and informative content for your money-making journey. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. If you are looking how to make money on autopilot, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you through 7 different ways to make money on autopilot in 2022. Now let's get into it. 1. Start a blog or website to earn money. Starting a blog or website is one of our favorite ways to make passive income each month, and almost anyone can get started. With this income stream, you'll need to spend time growing your audience before you will start making a significant income, which can take a couple of years. Once you start to pick up traffic, you can monetize your website using a few methods such as display advertising, affiliate marketing, and selling online courses or services. Starting a blog or website will cost you around $150 a year to start. This will cover the cost of your domain name and the hosting for the entire year. We recommend using Namecheap to purchase your domain name and SiteGround for hosting. These platforms are rated extremely high and are also very affordable to build any website. If you're growing a blog or website, you might be wondering how to gain traffic to your site. The good news is that there are various ways you can drive traffic to your site. The bad news is that almost all of them will require time and effort to gain steam. One of our favorite ways to gain traffic is by utilizing search engines like Google. Whenever you search through a search engine, it will find relevant content to display to you. Search engines are an extremely reliable way to generate traffic to your site to make money online. You'll need to create your content in a way that is easy to understand by a search engine, and be sure to follow all of the guidelines for the search engine to ensure your content gets viewed. Once you've gained steady traffic to your site, you can start to monetize it through display ads and affiliates like Amazon Associates. Some blogs and websites will do better than others when it comes to affiliate marketing. For example, a blog in the food niche could be a great way to make money with Amazon Associates because Amazon offers a wide variety of food-related products. If you want to monetize your site with another method, selling products or services can be a fantastic way to build your income. Selling digital products on your website is a great idea if you're looking to make money on the internet. It can take some time to grow your website, so don't give up if you don't see immediate results. If you're investing in Google and search engine optimization, be prepared to give your site at least 6 months to grow. 2. Invest in stocks. The stock market is one of the best ways to grow your money without working. Depending on how much money you have to invest, it's possible to earn thousands of dollars each year from your investments. When you start investing, you'll want to ensure you have the money to lose before investing every penny. Not sure where to get started? We recommend using Stash to invest in the stock market. This easy-to-use platform allows you to invest in all of your favorite stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and more with a simple user interface. As a bonus, you'll get $5 for completely free just for registering. 3. Invest in crowd-funded real estate to make money. Crowd-funded real estate platforms like Fundrise are an excellent choice if you want to invest in real estate without all of the hassle and headache that comes with owning a rental property. You'll need some money to make money with this investment, however. On the bright side, it won't require much effort at all to make money with this method. Just open your account, link your bank account, and start earning interest on your investments. How much money can you make? In short, it depends. It's completely possible to earn anywhere from 5% to over 10% annually on your investment. 4. earn money on autopilot with rental properties. If you're looking for an investment with higher returns, purchasing a rental property can be an excellent way to make money on autopilot. You'll need to qualify for an investment mortgage with good credit and at least 20% down payment on your property. Owning rental properties pays extremely well. It's possible to cash flow an extra $500 a month in income from your rental. Another major benefit of owning a rental property is the tax advantages. When compared to other investments, rentals allow you to deprecate the property and thus pay very little taxes on your income. When it comes time to sell your property, you'll need to consider the taxes involved. 5. Earn passive income with a high-yield savings account. If you want to make extra money each month without having to work for it, utilizing a high-interest savings account is a risk-free method to grow your money. 𝐤𝐸 Bank pays over 5 times the national average in interest. This is a great option for anyone, no matter how much money you have to save. 6. Make money with a podcast. Podcasting can be an entertaining way to earn money online. Starting an online business, like blogging or podcasting, can be super fun and also quite lucrative. Some of the top podcasters can make millions of dollars each year. You'll first need to select a niche for your podcast. You'll want to pick something that interests you to avoid burnout. Once you've found a topic, it's time to start planning content. You'll want to find topics that keep your audience interested and engaged. Earning extra cash by podcasting comes through a variety of ways. You can use affiliate marketing, advertising spots, and have an accompanying blog to increase your income. 7. Earn cash on autopilot with online surveys. Making money online comes in a variety of forms and fashions. Online surveys are one of the top methods many people utilize to earn cash in their free time. While this method isn't completely passive, some might consider it passive, as it can be done when sitting around or during your morning commute to work. Completing surveys is a good way to make money online given you have a device and internet connection. If you're looking for a website with the highest paying surveys, 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤𝐞 is your best bet. With this site you can earn over $50 per survey you complete and over $150 for paid focus groups. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about 7 ways to make money on autopilot. If you think any of these are a good option for you, get involved, and let us know which one of them you utilized in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting, remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also, subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.